All right, we're back on this on the old 2009 Mercedes C300 ignition switch programming replacement. That's going to be our new key password for new EIS. Already put that in. Just letting us know some VIN can only be written once after the EIS is erased. Just letting us know that. So we go to OK. This is EIS information to be written. Key password. Okay. Let's go ahead. Okay, and please enter the IRS key simulator. Alright, so we have our simulator and entered to the slot. Establish view communication. Creating and writing into the EIS. Do you want to read the EIS information? Yes. This is all our information was transferred. That's our old VIN, SSID, part number. All right. Activated. No, we just gotta activate it. So basically, all the old information that was in the old EIS is now into the new one. The reason why we changed this EIS is because it was not recognizing the key being inserted into the EIS. The EIS wasn't recognizing it. This one right here, we could communicate with it, but won't recognize the key. Then we also we weren't able to retrieve the password out of it either. So I was able to get a donor one. I was able to retrieve that old password from this EIS, or this password, erase it, make the own password up. All we did was change all the basic information for the anti-theft key code, special key, VIN, all the key positions, transfer all the anti-theft information from this one into this one. I mean, that's how I was able that's how you were able to do the replacement. In the event that you can't get the EIS, can't communicate with this, you have to pull the ECM out and get the special key and an SSID. Well, not SSID, but at least a special key. And get a special key code and SSID. I think you can get the SSID from the ESM, for the ECM, and use that for your EIS replacement, your new EIS information. So let's go to. So that's good now. So we'll go on to the next step, which is activating EIS and then writing the code in and changing the mileage.